Let's now create a new grading center. To create a new grading center, I can use the add new grading center, and I will add it here, and I will be prompted with a dialog. A grading center is a center for a scaling of a curve. Curve can be assigned to a grading center or can be assigned to multiple grading center. Each grading center has a master grading center. I can see that by the white arrow that is displayed on the model. Each grading center can override the measurement coming from the grading table. If I override, the grading center will use different increments and different measurement for the sample size and generate its own grading table. I can override even single sizes by specifying an increment for the given size that I want to override. Using the button here, I can assign some curves to the grading center. I can move the grading center in the position I like, and I can change the master grading center of the current one. When I add it, I have the name of the grading center displayed here on top. When I am satisfied with what I have done, I can press on OK. If I want to change properties of a grading center, I can use the Edit button, select the grading center, and I will be prompted again with the form for the grading center. When I'm satisfied, I can press OK. If I don't need a grading center anymore, I can delete the grading center using the Delete Grading Center button. I can select the grading center, and I will be prompted in this case, as I have assigned a curve to that grading center, that deleting the grading center will change the grading of my model. Let's create it again, and let's assign this curve. If I now want to understand how the model is being built on the grading information, I can use the Inspection button from the toolbar, and we can see that this curve is connected to this grading center, and that this grading center is depending on this grading center. If I click on a grading center, the curves that are assigned to that grading center will be highlighted. Only the base curves can be assigned to a grading center. You cannot assign a mirror, a margin, or a boundary. Only base curves can be connected to the grading centers. And those are the only ones that will be graded. The rest of the grading will be generated based on the graded base curves.